Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto C+, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you want to take off the back cover, which I already have done. You have a little pull tab. If you look at the bottom, you have a little cutout right here where you can put your fingernail and just pry it off. Go all around carefully so you don't actually break the cover. And then you'll have the access to the back of the device, from where you'll have to remove the battery. So I'll take it out, and from here you can actually insert the SIM cards. Without taking the battery, you won't be able to put in any kind of SIM card, so you are forced to basically do this. And then you only want to slide it in. Both cards go the same way, so the cutout is located on the upper left side when you're sliding it in. And the memory card goes over here. And you also have a little engraving of how you're supposed to slide it in there. So once both of them are in there, you can put in the battery and turn the device back on. So let me just do that. Okay, let's give it a moment. And now the device is back on. I'll probably have to, there it is, put in a pin for the SIM card. So as you can see already, SIM card is working. And then there's the SD card in the upper left corner. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.